So here we need to find out how much food they can buy with $24. So looking at the highlighted words, they tell us that the person in front of them got 4 cones of cotton candy plus 2 funnel cakes for $15. So 4C, which is cotton candy, plus 2F, so F stands for funnel cake, equals $15. Now we need to solve this expression to see how much the cotton candy and funnel cake costs. So what we do, we're gonna take this 2F and we're gonna bring it onto this side. Since it's multiplying on this side, so 2F basically means 2 times F, it's going to be dividing on this side. So 15 divided by 2F, we're also gonna make it balanced, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So 2F divided by 2F. And we're going to solve this and rewrite it. 4C plus, so what's 2F divided by 2F? Basically cancels out, so it's 0, but we're not going to write that. So just 4C equals 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Now we need to isolate C, so we're going to bring over the 4. Again, it's multiplying on this side, so it's going to be dividing on this side. So 7.5 divided by 4 and 4 divided by 4. So this, again, it's just 0. So C equals, and we need to solve this, which is 1.875. So the C equals this. So C is cotton candy. That means the cotton candy is $1.87. We're going to get rid of that one because in money you just use the first two things. So yeah, that cotton candy, each cone of cotton candy is $1.87. Now we need to find out how much the funnel cakes are worth. So I'm going to rewrite it, but instead of putting C like we did over here, we're going to replace C with 1.87, like that. Let me rewrite it. 1.87. Then we're going to write the rest of the question, or expression. So plus 2F equals 15. Now we're going to solve this. This time it's a lot easier because we only have one variable. We're going to solve this, so we need to do 4 times 1.87, which is 7.5. I'm going to do plus 2F equals 15. Now we're going to isolate F, so we're going to start by bringing 7.5 onto this side. Plus 7.5 means it's minus 7.5 on this side. So 2F minus or equals 15 minus 7.5. We're going to solve this, which is 7.5. So that means 2F equals 7.5. But now again, we need to isolate F, so we're going to bring over the 2. Again, multiplying, that means it's dividing. So 7.5 divided by 2, divided by 2. F equals 3. So we're going to solve this. 7.5 divided by 2 is 3.25. That means the funnel cakes are $3.25. Now we know that cotton candy is $1.87 and funnel cake is $3.25. Now that we know the prices for the cotton candy and the funnel cake, we need to see that for $24, how much of cotton candy and funnel cake can they buy? But the thing is that they want equal amounts of cotton candy and funnel cake. So to help solve this, I created this chart. And how this chart works is I have the price for the cotton candy in one section and the price for funnel cake. And then over here, this stands for C. So you see how we have C here. And what we're doing is replacing C with 1, 2, 3, 4, and on. over here we have the total. So the total would be, if when we replace C with one of these numbers, we need to then calculate it. So it would be 1.87, and instead of C, we do it times 1, which would be $1.87. And you basically do that same thing over here. We did 187 times 2, which is 375. You do that on and on until you get your answer. This section, the purple section over here, is our total. So what we need to do is see what's the closest number to 24. So 5, no, 11, and then 28, that's over, 16, that's under, so this will probably be our answer. So let's solve it. So we can do 187 times 4, and that equals 7.50. And then we're going to do F, solve for F. So 375 times 4 equals $15. So then we're going to add these two together, and that gives us $22.5. That means now, since we have $24, we can't go over that, but the closest number to that is 22.50. So that's our answer. 4 is our answer. How many of each could they buy? They could buy 4 of each. So the total for the cotton candy would be $7.50. Total for the funnel cake would be $15, and together they would make $22. So now we need to also see how much change they would have left. So we would just do 24 minus 22.5 minus, which is just $1.50. So they would have $1.50 left.